G'day, I'm Hamish. I'm from Narromine in Central West New South Wales. Today I've got to show you the 821 piece field service kit, which I got in the two 700mm boxes. I've had this kit for approximately 12 months now, and so far I'm really liking it. So you want to have a look in it. On this side I have basically all of my everyday sort of stuff. On the driver's side, pliers, screwdrivers, shifters, mouldy grips, tape measure, all that sort of stuff. If we go into this first drawer, I've got my socket set. Basically got my 1/2 inch, 3/8 and 1/4 inch drive stuff. Pretty well deep sockets, crow's feet, all that sort of stuff. And then the second drawer here, I basically got basically 1/2 inch drive socket sets, just in carry handles and security pieces and whatnot. Going around to the other side, I've got my auto electrical equipment up here, basically soldering irons, test lights, going down here, tape, thread tape, soldering iron, all that sort of stuff, pop rivet gun, my drills, 3/4 inch drive socket sets in carry cases, and large spanners. In this drawer I've got all my spanner roll sets. I've got my hammers, my cold chisel, punches and all that sort of stuff in this main drawer, so it's good to keep that together. And in my bottom drawer I've got my 3/4 inch drive socket set in a carry case with my torque wrench and breaker bar. So yeah, this is the 821 piece field service kit in two 700mm boxes. I chose this kit just because it suits my needs. I work on a farm in broadacre cropping, and I pretty well use it every day because we service and maintain all of our machinery, and I'm really liking it so far. And the roller bearings on the drawers are still working fine. It lives on the back of the ute. So yeah, it's all good. Thanks.